Good morning, dear students. In coordination chemistry, in this video, we are going to discuss this heading, one test to differentiate CONH3 5 times ClSO4 and CONH3 5 times SO4Cl. What is the name of this compound? Actually, this complex comes under ionization isomers. When these compounds dissolved in solvent, they undergo ionization and produces different ions. By using silver nitrate, we can distinguish these two compounds. What is the test we are going to discuss is, first I am going to write the IUPAC name of these two compounds. The given complex is CONH3 5 times Cl. Outside of the complex, one SO4 is present. One SO4 is present. So, according to that, cobalt oxidation state is 3 plus, we know. How to write the IUPAC name? Pentan, NH3, amine, pentaamine, chlorido, cobalt, pentaamine chlorido, cobalt. Oxidation state 3, that is in Roman numeral, SO4 sulfate. SO4 is sulfate. Pentaamine chlorido, copper 3, cobalt 3, sulfate. Then one more complex we have, that is with the molecular formula CO. Oxidation state of cobalt is 3 plus, NH3 how many times? 5 times, SO4, then 1 Cl is in the outside. Compound name start with the same A ligand first, pentaamine sulfato, cobalt, oxidation state 3, chloride, oxidation state 3, chloride. Pentaamine sulfato, cobalt 3, chloride. We know silver nitrate used to identify the halide radical. For example, I write the equations first. Any chloride salt, an example of sodium chloride, we know students how sodium chloride undergo ionization. When treated with the solution of AgNO3 and gives sodium is a monopositive ion, alkali metal, halide -1, silver Ag +1 and nitrate is -1. We know a plus is always combined with the minus, Ag plus combined with the Cl minus and Na plus combined with the NO3 minus. AgCl is formed as precipitate. You know what is meant by precipitate? It is insoluble in nature. Insoluble in the given solvent, plus loss of sodium nitrate NaNO3. What is the color of AgCl? Actually, curdy white precipitate, or simply it is white precipitate. And one more you have to remember that if 1 mole of AgCl is formed, only one Cl minus ion is present in the given complex. 2 moles of AgCl are formed. There are 2 Cl minus ions are present in the given complex. So that 3 moles of AgCl are formed. 3 Cl minus ions are present in NaCl. Correct, students? It is also used to identify the presence of bromide and iodide KBr when treated with silver nitrate AgNO3. As usual, potassium is alkali metal monopositive ion Br minus Ag plus 1 NO3 nitrate is a negative ion. Plus combine with the minus and this plus combine with the NO3 minus. What are the product we have? The main product is AgCl, AgBr plus K plus combine with the NO3 minus gives KNO3. This formed as precipitate. Silver bromide, AgBr, the color of this complex is pale yellow precipitate. Pale yellow precipitate. Formation of pale yellow precipitate indicate that Formation of pale yellow precipitate indicate that the given complex containing Br minus ion which is ionizable in nature. And one more reaction to identify potassium iodide Ki, K plus, I minus, the solution actually used to confirm the lead radical, potassium iodide solution. When treated with silver nitrate AgNO3, Ag plus NO3 minus negative ion, plus combine with the minus, Ag plus combine with the I minus, form yellow precipitate of silver iodide. Form yellow precipitate of silver iodide, yellow precipitate. Plus, as usual, K plus combine with the NO3 minus, K plus combine with the NO3 minus, form KNO3, form KNO3. Silver iodide, it is simply an yellow precipitate, a yellow precipitate. The formation of yellow precipitate indicate that in the given complex I minus is present in ionic state. Using this, we can distinguish the given two complexes. The first complex given is CO 3 plus ion, NH3 5 times, pentaamine chlorido cobalt 3 sulfate. And one more complex given is CO 3 plus, NH3 5 times, SO4, outside of the complex 1 Cl minus ion. Sulfate is a 2 minus ion. Sulfate is a 2 minus ion, and also the charge on the complex is 2 plus. How it is 2 plus? Cobalt is 3 plus ion, amine 0, chlorine minus 1, 2 plus minus 1 gives 2 plus. 3 plus minus 1 gives 2 plus. That 2 should be written here, this 2 should be written there, 2 get cancelled. When treated with silver nitrate AgNO3, no precipitate is formed. No precipitate is formed. And the second complex, when treated with silver nitrate solution, AgNO3 solution, what happens? Chlorine minus 1, therefore charge of the complex should be plus 1. How do you get plus 1? Cobalt is a 3 plus ion, amine 0, sulfate is a 2 minus ion. When you add these two, you will get plus 1. Ag plus now combine with the Cl minus as we discussed before. Ag plus combine with the Cl minus. Form AgCl. 1 mole of AgCl, white precipitate formed in this reaction indicate that there is 1 Cl minus present outside of the complex in ionic form, not in the ligand form. In ionic form, not in the ligand form. And NO3 minus is added to this plus, gives CO, cobalt 3 plus, NH3, how many times? 5 times. SO4, pentaamine sulfato cobalt 3 nitrate, but silver chloride is formed as white precipitate. The formation of white precipitate indicate that 1 chlorine atom is present outside of the complex. Formation of white precipitate indicate that 1 chlorine atom present outside of the complex. So one more test, you can use to distinguish these two compounds. With barium chloride solution, the first compound gives white precipitate of barium sulfate. With barium chloride solution, the first compound gives the white precipitate of barium sulfate, but there is no such reaction takes place when this complex is treated with barium chloride. So, this is a test used to distinguish these two complexes, and thank you for watching this video. In the incoming video, we are also going to discuss one more complexes, and thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.